Okay, guys, one of the websites we're going to be using to help practice some of our grammar concepts is Magistrula. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and use some of the basic features on this website. If you've never used a website before, you'll be getting a course code, which I'll bring you into the class I've created for your particular grade. To sign up, you'll go over here to the button where it says sign up and you'll click here. Students are going to enter your first name, your last name. If you have your own email address, students, you're going to put your email address here. You're going to indicate that you're a student. You'll click this box right here, and you're going to put your mom or dad's email address there. When you've got all that taken care of, you're going to click Create Account. Once you've created your account, you come back to the website, you'll sign in. And once you sign in, you'll notice that the home page has changed a little bit. Up at the top, we have something that says My Stuff. Now, this is an account that I've created to show you what things look like on the student side of things. So if I go over here to My Stuff and I click on My Stuff, and if it comes here to assignments, it's going to bring me to this page right here. Any assignments that I create for you will be located over on this side of the page. Here we have two different things we can practice: conjugating present tense or declining noun adjective combinations. We're going to walk through one of the assignment practices by coming over here to practice tense conjugation. When we click on that, it's going to bring you to a screen that looks a little bit like this. Anything up here, don't worry about it. Don't click on the boxes or unclick onto the boxes. That's what I've created for you to do. Down here, you're going to see two columns: Latin, this is where you're going to put your Latin, and English is where you're going to put your English translation. Now, we're used to seeing a chart that says first person, second person, third person, singular and plural. Here it's set up a little bit different. This is first person singular, second person singular, third person singular, first person plural, second person plural, third person plural. And then we have the English over here. When you're ready to practice, you're going to click on Begin. So this is asking us to conjugate the verb to respond in the present tense. Don't worry about mood or voice for right now. Just focus on the tense. You may be thinking to yourself, but Mr. Cobb, we haven't learned this word. I don't know what to do. If you come over here and click Vocabulary Help, it will give you the four principal parts. And so I see that this is a second conjugation verb because of the long ERE, and I'm ready to conjugate. So we drop and stop the first form. And I want a macron O here, so I get the macron O by going here. Sometimes, depending on your computer, you'll be able to cut and paste, which will help you go through the conjugation a little quicker. So I need a macron E, because remember, long, long, short, then short, then long E, long E, and now I'm ready to do my English translation. So here I'll go, I respond, you respond. And although we do he, she, or it, just a he is enough for here. And the person who created this website is a Southerner, and so she speaks Southern Latin just like I do. So you'll say y'all here. When you're finished and you're satisfied with your work, you're going to look back over, check, make sure everything's the way you want it to be, and then you can submit it. Once you click Submit, it's going to automatically tell you how you did. Uh-oh, it looks like I made a couple of mistakes. You see what I did here? I accidentally put a macron here because it didn't follow the pattern of long, long, short, long, long. Oops. So the asterisk lets me know that I got this one wrong, and it puts the correct answer over here. And over here, I forgot to change he respond to he responds. So it'll give you immediate feedback on how you're doing. If you scroll down here, it'll tell you what you've done, tell you what was right, what you should have done. And the other thing it does, it tells you how long it took you to do and what your overall percentage was. So if you need some help practicing conjugating, you can come back and do this as often as you like. I'll set up exercises for people to practice, and there may be some requirements to turn in later. That's all we're going to do for now, but if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thanks so much, guys. We'll talk to you soon.